Radiographic features of CHF. Now, oh my goodness, so what's a every time? What are the every time I say every time I want to say what are the radiographic features of CHF, I want to belch. So belch is a mnemonic. B, bat wings. Oh, what is bat wings, John? It means perihilar cuffing. The hilum is engorged. B is bat wings. E is effusions. They have puddles in the lung. BEL. L is lines. Curly B lines are linear lines that touch the side of the chest wall. That's insignificant, guys. It's a preceptor pimping tool. BELC is cephalization, which means the blood vessels going north are just as pronounced as blood vessels going south, and that's significant. And the H stands for heart enlargement. And that's super important, guys. If you don't have a big heart, you don't have heart failure. That is the most common radiographic feature by far. Pro tip, that big heart manifests itself by an S3 when you listen.